YouTube babies, it's LaPortia Monique, and thank you for coming back to my channel, and hey to all my new subscribers. Hey love, so I'm starting off with this Juvia's Place palette, and I really love this palette because the colors are really pigmented and they blend so seamlessly. So I wanted to smoke out the look a little bit and darken it, so I'm using some colors from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette in the inner and outer corner of my eye. So I'm packing my lid color on, which is really pretty and really sparkly. So I'm starting on the skin, and you want to make sure that you prep and prime your skin, and then you want to put your foundation on to even out your complexion. I'm using my beauty blender to blend out my foundation and press it into my skin. So right here I'm concealing, and I am also highlighting at the same time because I'm using a concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm placing that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, above my mouth, and on my forehead. So I'm using a NYX concealer to contour my face, and you can clearly see that I am excited about contouring. Yes, I'm about to get this face all chiseled. Contour my nose, which is completely optional. If you're going to contour your nose, make sure that you blend all the concealers really well. I'm just taking what's left over on my beauty blender, and I'm blending my contour and my highlight together, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with the color du Jour translucent powder. To set the darker concealer that I use for my contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette, which is a powder, and I'm just going over the areas that I contoured. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush and blend it all together because we want to look flawless. Quickly adding some blush and then highlight. And this is going to make your cheeks sparkle when the light hits, and it's really pretty. So I'm just highlighting my cheeks, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. So don't mind my face, but I am taking a pencil brush and I'm lining my bottom lash line with the colors from the eyeshadow. So I'm taking this dark liquid lipstick, dries matte, and I'm going to outline my mouth. I'm basically using it as a lip liner. Okay, then I'm putting the lighter color on the center of my lips and blending that together. Then I'm going to guard my eyelashes, and I'm using the Cynthia Boss lashes, and I'm just applying those with my tweezers. Okay, for the last finishing touches, I'm adding eyeliner and mascara to my bottom waterline. Okay sis, don't forget a little shimmer in the inner corner. And here is the final look, and we're excited. Oop, get into that. Blended, yes. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications when I upload new content. And just so that you can be here with me, kicking it, doing makeup. Be bold, be empowered, be you.